Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is basically the little update as we continue towards the when will the famous October 2018 update or version 1809 be released. So it's still being tested. There's a new build today. They've actually released the latest 17.763.107, I believe, is the latest build number. So basically what that means is that this is the another test version for insiders on the slowing and release preview. So that means still a few days for testing, that's for sure. Though we're not going to get it in October, we're going to get it in November, it seems. One of the things that I've read, and if all is okay, I guess, that could be the case. Some speculate that it might be re-released at the same time that there will be Patch Tuesday of November. So that's a possibility. Patch Tuesday in November is going to be on Tuesday the 13th of November. So that's when Patch Tuesday is going to arrive. That would mean that it's like something like 3 weeks away from now. So we'll see what's going to happen with that. And basically, we're just going to continue checking out what's going to happen, of course, as soon as the official October 2018 update is released. We're going to talk about it. What's interesting is that they're continuing the test. I would guess that the zip, that new number, the new build number, it's not very high. It's like, I think the other one was 100.104. This one is .107. Probably has that fix for the zip bug, the one that zip files are not necessarily asking you if you want to, overwrite some files. So basically, that is probably the major issue that's left, or one of the issues that's left. And of course, they probably fixed a few things in there. So we're waiting. We're still waiting. It's still, a little way off before we actually get to the official release of 1809. But it's still being tested. So that's the latest news we have, is really a release today of another build for testing. So they're really, really taking their time, and I think it's okay. You know what? Don't rush it. Don't rush it. Make sure that it's coming back, and it's coming back with an amazing version. I think they're doing a great job in just thinking that let's just make sure that this works, and that's okay. I think that's what's needed, honestly. So nothing new for that. If you're waiting, of course, some of you have said, hey, I don't have these features. Remember, every video that I post that is stated as October 2018 update, chances are whatever you will see in there is for that version that's coming up soon. So, I'm already preparing the videos, so like that, when it's out, well, you'll know how to do whatever you want to do, and you'll know what are the features that are in that new version. So, sorry if they're not available yet right now, but you gotta understand that that is that. A lot of people have been saying, hey, I don't have File Explorer dark theme. Yeah, the dark mode is in 1809. It's an October 2018 update. You got to be there. There's no dark mode in the File Explorer before that version. And it seems people don't grasp the fact that you need to have the latest version October 2018 update for it. I don't know if it's, because they just don't listen to the content or just, read it. I mean, it's very, very obvious in the video that it says October 2018 update. Feature highlight, dark theme File Explorer. Look, you gotta have 1809, and that's it. So that's the thing, and it's not available. It was available for a few people. Some people are saying, "Oh, is this insiders only?" No. Some people have upgraded. It's not insiders only, but right now it is if you have not, because obviously it's insiders only if you have not updated your operating system. So we'll keep you updated, but probably a week or two before a official release of the October 2018 update. Hey, they should change the name to the November 2018 update. So we'll keep you posted, and as soon as any other information is there, we'll of course talk about it, and we'll let you know as soon as it's back online. That's for sure. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.